Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Dear students, it is a history class. In previous history class, we discussed about the Russian Revolution and the First World War, in which we saw that Russian army failed to gain success in the war in Austria and Germany. In this war, the Russian armies got casualties at large number and they left fighting wars. Today we will discuss about the Russian Revolution, February Revolution in Petrograd. It began with riots and strikes over the scarcity of food erupted in Petrograd. It means February Revolution erupted in Petrograd against the scarcity of food. 1 week later, Tsarist rule in Russia ended with the abdication of Nicholas II. It means Nicholas II Tsarist regime was centuries old regime, old government. It ended, or Nicholas II, who was the ruler of Tsarist regime then, he was abdicated. Russia took a dramatic step closer towards communist revolution, and this revolution took or turned into communist revolution. By 1917, most Russians had lost their faith in the leadership and ability of the Tsarist government, of the Tsarist regime. Government officials were corrupted. The Russian economy remained backward. Nicholas repeatedly dissolved the Dumas. The Russian parliament established after the revolution of 1905. It means Duma was the parliament of the Russian Empire, established after revolution of 1905. It was repeatedly dissolved by the Nicholas II. Why did Nicholas II repeatedly dissolve the Duma? Because Duma often opposed his will. Opposed his will. That's why when Duma opposed his will, he dismissed, dissolved the Dumas. The immediate cause of the February Revolution was the first phase of the Russian Revolution of 1917 was Russia's disastrous involvement in First World War first. So first immediate cause of the February Revolution was involvement in the First World War. How did involvement of First World War caused the first Russian Revolution, तो militarily Imperial Russia was no matchable to industrialized Germany. It means in military field, Russia could not match the Germany. Russian casualties were greater than those sustained by any nation. It means there was a great casualties of Russian army was second cause of the February Revolution. Meanwhile, the economy was hopelessly disrupted by the closely war effort. That's why thus the First World War caused the February Revolution. On March 8, 1917, demonstrators approach for bread took to the streets in the Russian capital of Petrograd. It means demonstrators went on the bread shop for bread in Petrograd, which is now known as the Petersburg. Supported by 19,000 men and women on a strike, the protesters clashed with the Royal Army. On March 10th, the strike spread among all of Petrograd's workers and erect mobs of workers. It means with the support of 90,000 men and women, workers went on a strike which was opposed by the Royal Police, Royal Army, which irritated the protesters or the revolutionaries. These irritated workers destroyed police stations, several factories elected their deputies to the Petrograd Soviet or Council of Workers committees, following the model devised during the revolution of 1905. It means on the style of revolution of 1905 in Petrograd, several workers committees, workers councils or Soviets were formed. On March 11, the troops of the Petrograd army garrison were called out to suppress the uprising. In some encounters, regiments opened fire, killed demonstrators, but the protesters kept to the streets. They did not move from the streets from strike. And then the troops began to disobey the order to fire on the strikers. That day Nicholas again dissolved the Duma. On March 12, the revolution triumphed when after regiment of the Petrograd garrison defected to the cause of the demonstrators. The soldiers, 150,000 men, subsequently formed committees. It means the armies on March 12, the armies also formed their committees. the imperial government was forced to resign and the Duma was reformed and a provisional government came into the existence. On March 14, the Petrograd Soviet issued an order, number 1, which instructed Russian soldiers and sailors to obey only those orders that did not conflict with the directives of the Soviets.